It may look like a robot out of Buck Rogers or maybe the Mandalorian. So, what's this futuristic mask all about? I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and the Dr. Dennis Gross SpectraLite FaceWare Pro, which is a mouthful, is a skincare device designed to boost collagen, kill acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and smooth wrinkles with different LED lights. That's a big promise.
I recently received a sample of the FaceWare Pro to test out and review for myself. I'll tell you what it's like to use, what it can do for your skin, and how it works, as well as whether I saw any results. Let's take a closer look. This mask uses 100 red LED lights and 60 blue LED lights as therapy to help reduce the appearance of spots, blemishes, lines, and wrinkles. The device uses natural light energy across several color spectrums, like I said, that the company says is proven to improve the look of skin. What's in the box here? There's not much to the package but the device, but thankfully it needs no assembly. Inside the package, you get the SpectraLite FaceWare Pro with a head strap. There's a USB-C charging cord, a storage bag, and a user manual.
Before we get too far down the road, it's probably a good idea to take a look at what this device is and what it's designed to do. The SpectraLite FaceWare Pro has those tiny LED lights embedded in the backside of the mask into soft silicone, essentially. The lights are designed to be in close contact with your skin and, once you turn them on, to penetrate.
This technology is very similar to other handheld LED light devices, such as the Foreo UFO, which I've also reviewed here on the channel.
The difference between something like that and something like this is the face mask design here covers your entire face, while handheld devices can only do a very small area at a time and require you to keep moving them around. There is definitely some appeal to having your whole face done all at once. By the way, one warning I should share, you're not supposed to try to look into the lights, and the mask is not waterproof.
What does LED light do for skin? The red LED light stimulates collagen production deep within our skin. Blue LED light destroys acne-causing bacteria, and yeah, it doesn't look too blue here, does it? Purple, which kind of looks pink on this video, combines the best of red and blue light.
Okay, collagen lifts up and buoys up your skin, working deep within, kind of like support columns to support your skin's surface. Over time, your skin produces less collagen and, with sunlight especially, can become damaged. So this is what results in lines and wrinkles. Those little support columns underneath the skin's surface are collapsing. So the spectrum of red lights in the face mask is said to help increase that collagen production, which in turn should plump up those supports under the skin. When it comes to acne and breakouts, these are usually caused by excess oil and dirt, which can then become blemishes. The blue and red LED lights in this case can help to reduce redness, minimize the appearance of spots, and help prevent future blemishes.
Using this device is actually really easy and pretty much takes no prep. You don't even need your smartphone. Dr. Dennis Gross recommends you use it on a clean and dry face, so wash up first if you need to.
If the battery is fully charged, just put it on your face and pull the silicone strap around the back and then secure it in place. Then just press the button up here on the top of the forehead and sit back and wait through the 3-minute long treatment. You can pull the face mask on and leave it on while you do chores, sit at your computer, or while you make YouTube videos.
So how often should you use the FaceWare Pro? Dr. Dennis Gross recommends you use the mask once a day for the best results.
Finding 3 minutes a day to use this device seems easy enough. I've been leaving it by my bedside and on my desk and just popping it on when I lay down to go to sleep at night, or while I'm on a non-video Zoom call. So how long before we should see results? This is a good question. The manual for this device says you can expect to see a reduction in blemishes within a few days and clearing up of spots, as well as an initial reduction of lines and wrinkles within about 2 weeks of daily use. The best results for wrinkles should occur after about 10 weeks of daily use. So did I see results? I'm just over 2 weeks in, and it's kind of hard to say. I think my skin looks great and I've had no breakouts, and I think I may actually be seeing a bit more firmness, but I guess on week 2 of a recommended 10, it's still kind of hard to tell. I do find the treatments super easy and convenient to use since it does my whole face all at once, and I've also been holding it up to my neck too for added benefits.
The Dr. Dennis Gross team suggests you follow your LED light therapy treatment with serum and moisturizer. I've been combining this with the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel and the Dr. Dennis Gross Lightweight Wrinkle Defense, and I've really been enjoying both these two products as well. The FaceWare Pro is rechargeable using an included USB-C cord. Charging takes about 2 to 4 hours and should give you between 24 and 30 minutes of use, or approximately 8 to 10 sessions. Potentially worth noting is the battery is not accessible and not serviceable. Once it's dead permanently, it's done. There's no information about what the total lifespan of this mask should be, but here's hoping that for the price, it'll last for many years.
Overall, I'm really enjoying my treatments. They're easy to fit into my busy schedule, primarily because they're hands-free and only 3 minutes long. The mask is comfortable to wear and it doesn't pull or poke on my face. While it's hard to gauge if I'm seeing true results just yet, I do plan to keep on using this mask and I'll have to report back after the 10-week time period. And if you guys do want to see that update, make sure to let me know in your comments down here below. The Dr. Dennis Gross SpectraLite FaceWare Pro mask here sells for about $430 US or 530 Canadian, and it's available from a variety of beauty retailers and from Dr. Dennis Gross's website. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've got a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about this device, and you can also post your questions right here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada. Oh, hi. All right. Let's get rid of that now. An early heads up while I have you here. If you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please mash that like button and do consider subscribing. It does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.